Guys, I know how you like watching me being really nervous when I'm trading and almost be able to lose all of my deposit just like this. So today is this kind of video of increasing my balance just from $10. And let's see what results I will do today. And we will use an unusual strategy that I call triple O. It means that we will use 3 oscillators and gonna get the signals from them and open a trade. So my name is Lisa, girl in trading, and let's get started. So guys, here is our pocket option account. And the first thing we need to do is go to the indicators, choose moving average. In the moving average, change period to 3. We'll leave SMA and we will just change the line, do it more thicker. Also, we choose MACD and stochastic oscillator. Stochastic will just change K period to 5, so it's 3, 3, and SMA as well. So actually, that's all we need to have. Time frame of the candles is M1. So what we need to see to open a trade? Firstly, we need to see 3, for example, green or red candles. That will show us that it's the start of the upward or downward trend, and we will definitely be sure that it's gonna continue. Also, we will look at the MACD indicator, and we need to see there the green pin bars, for example, and the 2 lines of MACD crossing each other, and a stochastic oscillator that our lines is moving in the upward direction and going to achieve the overbought zone. So for example, in this situation, we need to wait for the 3rd red candle, because in case it's just going to be a corrective candle, or maybe it just these 2 green candles were corrective ones. So yeah, we can see that it's the red candle there, the 3rd one, so it's not our situation. So now we will find something else instead. So we need to take a look at all of these indicators and all of the conditions of the market, of the currency pair, to open a trade. So here, for example, we can see it's a pretty good situation. It's 3 green candles. It's not that consistent upward or downward trend here. We can see it by the previous movements of the chart. It's always fluctuating. It's like with some zigzag movements, but we also can see it by the stochastic oscillator. So it's kind of unusual one, and we just wait here. If this candle will grow, we will open a trade here. If not, it's not our situation. Then it's better to wait sometimes, not to be really that fast, and be sure about your trade. So yeah, here's actually really good. So we opened the first trade for $10 up for 2 minutes. So here we can see on the MACD indicator, the 3 last pin bars is green. It's already the 4th one there. 2 lines of MACD crossing each other and going a little bit up in the same direction. The lines of stochastic oscillator is also going up, and one of the line is already achieved the level 80, so it's like our overbought zone. So it could mean that really soon it's going to be a reversal, but not now. So it's 1 minute 30 seconds till the end of a trade. Let's see how we will end it. But by the moving average indicator, we also see the what trend we have right now, and it's definitely upward trend. But moving average is actually really easy indicator for all of the beginners, just to be sure about what trend is it right now. And we choose here the SMA line, so it's like simple moving average. So I think it's gonna reverse right now, and we can see it's a red candle happening there. So guys, you need to be really careful when you open a trade, and you need to be sure you need to get all of the signals from every indicator. And if one of the indicator is giving you opposite signal, for example, a sell trade, you just don't open a trade there, because that's how you will save your money, guys. And it's better to find the situation that will give you absolutely clear signal. So it's 17 seconds, guys. You can see it fluctuates a lot there and there, but I think it's gonna be fine. Okay, let's see. It's 10 seconds, and 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and yeah, guys, we close the straight in a plus. Okay, perfect. So guys, let's find another situation. We have $19 right now. It's a really good one. We open here a sell trade for 2 minutes immediately. Here we can see it was the upward trend before. You have a lot of the fluctuations, but in general, we can see it's definitely the upward trend. Then it achieved this new resistance level and start reversing in a downward direction for already 4 candles. We were a little bit late here. As you can see, after the 3rd candle, it was a really strong downward movement. So if we open it after the 3rd candle, of course, it would be better. and now it's fluctuating a lot. We can see there a green candle, but I think it's gonna be really fine. Ooh, oh my god, what's happening? Sorry. Excuse me. So here we can see by the moving average indicator, that line is going in the downward direction. It's the first sell signal. On the MACD indicator, we can see two lines is crossing each other and going lower in the same direction. It's again what? Right, sell signal. The last pin bars, the last 5 on the MACD is red, and 2 of them is below our 0 level. So it's another sell signal, guys, to your right. The 2 lines of stochastic escalator also going lower. It already almost crossed the oversold zone, but the downward trend is still going on here. So it's 48 seconds right now. Guys, I will also tell you more right now about moving average indicator and all of the indicators that we use here, because I think it's really important to know, because a lot of people is just using them but not really understand the logic of this indicator, how you also can use it more. Oh my god, it's 28 seconds, guys. As you can see, it fluctuates so much around their entry point. If I will lose on the second trade in this video, it's gonna be disaster. It's gonna be disaster. Oh my god. No way, no way. It's 15 seconds. Okay, I'm nervous now, even though it's $19, but the thing is that it's all I have. Okay, it's 8 seconds right now, guys. Oh my god. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We close it, guys. Okay, it was really good. Okay, now let's change the amount of money and we will find another situation. So here we can see it's the downward trend right now with some fluctuations, but anyway, so we wait a little bit and we will open a sell signal here for 2 minutes. Okay, here is good. So yeah, we open a trade. I think you already understand the logic of this indicator, like what we need to see on the indicators to open a trade. So now I want to tell you more about the moving average indicator first, and then we can go to another one, so you will understand more about this, and maybe it will help you as well to trade with these indicators. So while we wait for our trade to close, I will tell you more about the moving average indicator. So perhaps the moving average is the simplest method to determine the direction of the trend. So this technical analysis indicator, simplistically speaking, adds up all the prices for previous periods and divides them by the number of the periods. So the result is a line of average prices that is either rising, uptrend, falling, downtrend, or fluctuating in place. It's flat, it means like the absence of the trend. So the advantages of this indicator: firstly, moving average smooth prices removes sharp fluctuations. Also allows you to quickly assume the direction of the trend. Also, this indicator can be combined with cluster analysis. If you want to know about this more, guys, text me in the comments, by the way, about this. And some technical analysis, such as MACD, you already know about this one, and we use it here as well. And Bollinger Bands use moving average as a basis. So guys, it's 17 seconds till the end of our trade. So we are in the plus. We can see that it was some corrective candle here, but right now the downward trend is still continuing. So it's 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we close it in a plus, guys. Okay, perfect. We already have $70. So now we will find another situation and we will continue learning something else about trading and indicators as well. I hope you like it, actually, that I combine the practice with the theory together. So guys, here's pretty good situation, actually, and we can see already 3 red candles here. It's almost achieved the support level, but who we are not to risk. So I opened here a sell trade for 2 minutes. We can see it all by the indicators that it's definitely a sell signal here. So there are 3 types of moving averages are most often used. Firstly, it's SMA that we use here. It's simple moving average. So to calculate it, the values for the previous periods, including the current one, are added up and divided by the number of semanas. In a simple moving averages, all prices are equally important, even the farthest away. The second one is double MA, weighted moving average. Many analysts believe that more recent prices have a greater impact on the current price than older prices. which is why the WMA was created. To calculate this averages, prices are weighted by their proximity to the current price. So more weight is given to recent data, so the WMA is closer to the price chart and it is less smooth than the SMA, simple moving averages. And there is a third one, EMA, exponential moving average. It's one of the special cases of WMA. When calculating the EMA, prices are not weighted but multiplied by certain coefficients depending on how old they are. So prices that are closer to the present are multiplied by higher coefficients. So the EMA is also closer to the chart and it is also less smooth than SMA. So guys, and it's 8 seconds till the end of a trade. We are in a big plus here. We absolutely confidently close this trade right now in a plus, and we already have $135. Now it's going to be easier to trade, but at the same time it's more nervous for me, of course. So let's go find another situation. Here's a really good situation, so I immediately open a buy trade for 2 minutes. Here we can see it was a downward trend before, then a little bit flat for some candles, and then it achieved the support level and start reversing in an upward direction. It's already 5 green candles, so it's definitely the start of the reversal. We can see that on the MACD indicator, all the last pin bars is green and they already intersected the 0 level, so it's a buy signal, guys. The two lines of MACD also crossing each other and going up in the same direction. Guys, what is it again? Right, buy signal. Also, two lines of stochastic is moving upward in the same direction, almost crossing the level 80, the overbought zone, but it hasn't achieved yet. So it's definitely gonna be the upward movement right now. But we can see some really big red candle. Hello. Maybe it will just go away. Oh my God, it's actually going really low. Okay, because it could be actually that, for example, we can see that the previous resistance level is literally when we are here right now, where we open a trade, the previous resistance level. So it could be this kind of the situation that it's just reversing the downward direction and it's still gonna be the lateral movement, you know, the flat, just the absence of the trend. So it's 40-second, guys. Okay, it starts reversing. Oh, okay, we're in a plus right now, but still it's fluctuating a lot. Oh my God, it's 33 seconds. Okay, let's see how we will close this one. Oh my God, it's so scary. Oh my God, 22 seconds. Okay, it's 15 seconds, guys. Oh my God, it's really crazy. I don't even want to look at this. Okay, it's reversing again. We're not in the plus again. Oh, it's 5 seconds. Okay, start rising. Okay, oh my God, this is so close. 1 second. Oh, we close it. Oh my God, I actually want to finish the video right now. So here's pretty good situation. We open here a buy trade for 2 minutes as well. As you can see, it was the downward trend, then the flat, the absence of the trend, and only now it started reversing in the upward direction. It's still the chance that it could just go to this resistance level and go lower again. But by all of the indicators, we get the buy signal, so that's why we do it. So yeah, guys, let's wait till the end of this trade. And guys, while we wait for this trade to close, I want to tell you more about the MACD indicator. So, of course, it's a technical indicator to help investors, that means you, identify price trends, measure trend momentum, and identify entry points for buying or selling. So MACD is actually stands for Moving Average Convergence/Divergence. It is a trend-following momentum indicator that shows the relationship between two exponential moving averages, EMAs, that's what we were talking about, of security price. So MACD was developed actually in 1970s by Gerald Apel and is one of the most popular technical tools actually, readily available on most trading platforms offered by online stockbrokers, the same as the pocket option as well. So the MACD line is calculated by subtracting the 26-period EMA from the 12-period EMA. So the calculation creates the MACD line. A 9-day EMA of the MACD line is calculated the signal line because we can see it's two of them, right? So it's plotted on the top of the MACD line, which can function as a trigger for buy or sell signals. So guys, we always take a look, right, of the two lines of MACD. If it's crossing each other and going in some kind of the direction, it's giving us a buy or sell signal. It's really important. So guys, it's 10 seconds to the end of trade. Let's wait. I'm really excited, but here I'm more than sure that we're gonna close the trade in the plus. So it's 1 second and we close it, guys. Okay, it's perfect. It's $500 right now. Here we can see some currency pair. We can see it's 3 red candles right now. So that's what we were waiting for. So we opened here a sell signal for 2 minutes. Here we can see it was the upper trend before it achieved this resistance level. Now going lower. Also, two lines of MACD just crossed each other. The last pin bars in MACD is red, and also the line of stochastic is also moving in a downward direction. So if we talk a little bit more about the MACD, so MACD is often displayed with the histogram that we see, right? Graphs the distance between MACD and its signal line. So if MACD is above the signal line, the histogram will be above the MACD's baseline or zero line. So if MACD is below its signal line, the histogram will be below the MACD's baseline. So traders use the MACD's histogram to identify peaks of bullish and bearish momentum and to generate overbought and oversold trade signal. And it's going actually really great. It's the 4th already red candle. Ooh, but it starts going up and it's kind of scary right now. Oh my god, how many this kind of the situations I will have today. I also have a trading session today in my VIP club, guys. By the way, if you think that it's all really difficult for you and you cannot trade like this and always be nervous and analyze the market, you always have a choice of my Telegram channels with absolutely free signals on the pocket option. So you can just follow it, just click literally on 2 buttons, buy and sell, and close your trades, guys. So 3 seconds, 2, 1, and we close this trade in the plus, guys. Ooh, perfect. Interesting situation. Interesting. And it's almost $1,000. Okay, but let's do that. I opened here trade for 2 minutes. So again, if I'm gonna lose it, it's gonna be crazy because here you can see it was a downward trend for a long time. Then it was flat. The absence of the trend. The chart was just moving straight, literally, and now it started again going lower and lower. We can see that it's actually big red candles, but still, it's not the guarantee for 100%. And every time when I open this kind of trades, with 0 on my balance right now, I'm always like, damn, what I'm doing. What I'm doing. Of course, like I'm losing just $10 with what I started with, but at least I invest my time in that right now as well. Already trading for like how long? 20-30 minutes or something. And of course, it's also important because it's crazy. This kind of the videos with increasing balance is the most stressful one for me because I do it not from the first or second attempt, guys. So you could understand. Guys, as you can see, it's really going crazy. We can see it was some green candle here, the corrective one. I hope so. Now it's a red candle again appear on the chart. Okay, now we're in the plus. It's 38 seconds, guys. So just pray for me right now. Pray for me because damn, it's crazy. If we're gonna lose all of the deposit right now, it's gonna be just, that's it. That's gonna be the end of my channel. It's 23 seconds, guys. Okay, we're in the plus. It's going pretty good. We can see the lines of stochastic is moving lower. It's almost at the oversold zone already. There's red pin bars in the MACD, so it was definitely the sell signal, but sometimes it could happen the reversal, or you will just not have a little bit of time to close the trade. So guys, it's 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and we close the trade. So guys, here's pretty good situation. So we open here a buy trade for $920. So here we can see it was the upper trend for a long time. Then it achieved its resistance level, went lower for just a few candles, and now reversing again in the upward direction. Actually pretty, unstable situation because it's only the 3rd green candle. I was actually pretty fast to open a trade here, but just because I want to, make right now the result as fast as I can. And here we can see the red candle right now. Okay, because from 1 to 3 candles, why I do this rule, and I told you about this rule in the beginning of the video, that we need at least 3, for example, green or red candles, and then there's a 4th one open and we open a trade. Okay, now it's going pretty good. So because from 1 to 3 candles after, for example, a downward trend, it was a downward trend, then for example 1 or 2 green candles, and a lot of people already start to like thinking that it's definitely a reversal. But then there's a third green candle appeared, they're like, yeah, it's definitely the start of the upward trend, it's the reversal. But then when the third candle closed, there's a fourth one appear, and boom, it's just going lower again, because from 1 to 3 candles, it could be a corrective candles. So that means that after this, the previous trend will continue. For example, the downward trend, like in this situation. But here we're pretty lucky, so it's 30 seconds till the never trade. So I'm sure we're gonna close it. But here again, we were really lucky, and I was pretty fast not to wait for the fourth candle here, or at least the end of the third candle to open a trade. So now it's going pretty good, and I think it will go till the resistance level, and then only after this will reverse. But a lot of the situation could happen, so guys, wait for at least 3, for example, green candles, as in this situation, to open a trade. It's 2 seconds, 1, and we close this trade, guys. Okay, perfect. We already have $2,600. Okay, now I change it to 1,300. Let's see what could happen to you if you're gonna be too fast. So here, guys, I open another buy signal, and already for all of the money that I have, because I don't care already. I don't care. Okay, I start with just $10, and you know, it's some kind of the points when you go through, when you almost face a loses, and you actually won, almost, and you're like, okay, now I don't care. Now I don't care. I put all the money per one trade, and it is what it is. We will see what is gonna happen, because I already spent too much nervous on this video. So let's see what we're gonna have here. But here is actually a pretty good situation. It was a downward trend before. Yeah, it was pretty big volatility, but anyway, it achieved the support level, and pretty clearly after that it started growing in the upward direction. It's already 4 big green candles. On the MACD indicator, we can see that 2 lines is crossing each other and going up in the same direction. It's a buy signal, guys. Also, we can see that the pin bars on the MACD histogram crossed the 0 level and going higher and higher. You can see the pin bars right now is above our 0 level, so it's a really good sign. 2 lines of stochastic escalator is moving upward, almost already achieved the overbought zone, but it's good. So it's 42 seconds till the end of a trade. Let's see what we're gonna have. I'm really excited about this one. 35 seconds. Oh my god, I'm so already tired. I'm so tired. I'm not gonna hide it, guys, because oof, that was hard. That was hard. 25 seconds. So as you can see, trading is not that easy so much. Not that easy. Sometimes you see this kind of situations, you're like, wow, how I can do that. It's 15 seconds, guys. Okay, we can see some red candle going on here right now. Oh my god, I can't even look at it actually. Oh my god. But it's okay. It's 3 seconds right now. 2, 1. Boom, we close this trade, guys, and now we have almost 5,000 on our balance, even though we started with $10. And I think, guys, this is a great end of the video, because it was too dangerous, it was too difficult. Oh my god, it's one of the most difficult video I ever made for a long time, and I hope you like it, guys. Please support me and put the like buttons, and also text the comments. Text me about your experience in trading, for how long you trade, how is everything's going on, and yeah, also subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys, because here I post a lot of the new videos every week about trading. Also, I do live streams every week at Thursday, where I trade with you in live time. So subscribe so you will not miss it. And guys, thank you so much again for watching this video, and I will see you on the next trading session. Bye bye.